Oh, hi friends! I was just enjoying some lemonade from my friend Siblee's lemonade stand. Oh, Siblee makes the best lemonade I know! And he works really hard, running the best business possible. I remember when Siblee first wanted to start his lemonade stand.
Oh, hello. My name is Mr. Bill. Welcome to Wimee's Lemonade Stand. How can I help you?
Hey, you look so familiar to me.
Well, I've never met you before.
Oh, are you sure?
I'm 100% sure. What can I do for you?
Well, I would like one lemonade stand, please.
Well, we don't sell lemonade stands here. We only sell lemonade.
Oh, well, never mind then.
Wait. Why do you want to buy a lemonade stand?
Oh, well, recently I visited a store where another man named Mr. Bill told me that in order to buy things, I needed to find a way to earn money. And I decided that I wanted to do that by selling lemonade.
That's great. Lemonade stands are a great way to earn money and learn about what it means to run your own business.
Thank you. Yeah, I do thought it was pretty brilliant.
I may not be able to sell you a lemonade stand, but I could help you start one of your own. How does that sound?
That would be great!
Wonderful. The first thing you'll need is to figure out what it takes to make your lemonade. This means you'll decide on a recipe and then see what ingredients you will need to buy or collect from around your house.
Oh. I know I'll need some lemons, some sugar, water, cups, and chili peppers.
I'm not sure about the chili peppers, but the rest sounds great. Once you've collected the other items, you'll want to make a big batch of lemonade so that you can start to sell.
I can do that.
Next, you'll want to decide how much to sell your lemonade for.
Okay, I think $100 a cup.
Whoa, I don't think you'll sell many cups of lemonade at that price.
Huh? What? Why not?
An important part of running your business is figuring out how much things will cost. You want to make sure that you're charging enough to cover the cost for all the supplies plus all the time that you've put into making the lemonades. If you make your price too high, then no one will buy it. And if you make your prices too low, then you won't make enough money to buy more ingredients.
Oh, that makes sense. So maybe $99 a cup.
More like 50 cents.
50 cents? That doesn't sound like very much money.
You have to remember, every little bit counts, and the more lemonades you sell, the more money you can earn.
Oh, well that does make sense. What do I do with the money when people give it to me?
You should make sure you have a secure bin. That way, if people need change, you can give it to them. Some people use pouches or boxes with locks on them.
Oh, that is so smart.
After each day, you should count your money and write the number down so that you can know how much money you're earning. If you need help with that, you can always ask a trusted adult to make sure that the money stays safe until you can take it to the credit union to be deposited.
Wow. Thank you, Mr. Bill. I'm going to whip up a batch of lemonade right now. I wonder how many chili peppers should I add? I'll figure it out.
Well, good luck.
Thank you.
I'll see you later.
Thankfully, the store was out of chili peppers. Yeah, Siblee makes really good lemonade, and he's really good at keeping track of how much he's spending and earning. Running a lemonade stand can be hard work, but if you understand the steps that you need to take, you can earn your own money and save up for all sorts of things. I hope you try it. Ba 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 da bum bum.